you're experiencing controller drift while playing Roblox, you can adjust your settings to help manage this issue. Follow these steps to enable settings that may help mitigate controller drift. Step 1. Access Roblox settings. Open Roblox and log into your account. Once in the game, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Controls. In the Settings menu, look for the Controls tab. Click on it to view the control options available for your game. Step 3. Adjust sensitivity. Within the Controls tab, find the sensitivity settings for your controller. Adjust the sensitivity sliders to lower values to reduce the impact of drift. Step 4. Enable dead zone settings. Look for an option labeled dead zone. This setting allows you to adjust the area around the joystick's neutral position where input is ignored. Increase the dead zone to help minimize unintended movements caused by drift. Step 5. Save and test changes. After making your adjustments, save the settings and return to the game. Test your controller to see if the changes have improved your experience and reduced drift. By following these steps, you should be able to manage controller drift more effectively while playing Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience.